Guide to Anti-Spam Outbound Policy and Outbound Spam Filter. Setup: AnyBiz. Email is crucial for modern business communication, connecting clients, partners, and employees globally. However, managing and securing outbound emails is essential to maintain your company's reputation and compliance with regulations. Outbound email filtering inspects emails leaving your organization, ensuring they adhere to internal standards and external regulations. This helps protect your company's image and recipient trust. Unlike inbound filtering, outbound filtering focuses on the content your company sends out. Outbound email filters act as a critical checkpoint, preventing data breaches and preserving your brand's reputation by ensuring every email is professional and compliant. This filtering is pivotal in today's digital age, where misdirected emails can cause significant harm. The technology behind outbound email filtering involves scanning emails for specific keywords, suspicious links, or unusual sending patterns. Advanced techniques like machine learning and AI enhance this process, identifying potential risks more accurately. Implementing outbound email filters offers several benefits, including safeguarding your email reputation, preventing accidental spamming and data leakage, and ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Tools like Microsoft Office 365, Titan HQ, and Proofpoint Email Protection provide robust outbound email filtering solutions. Each tool caters to different business needs, from large enterprises to small and medium-sized businesses, ensuring comprehensive email security. Setting up outbound email filters involves accessing your email system's admin panel, configuring filter criteria, testing settings, and regularly monitoring performance. Specific tools like Office 365, Spam Titan, and Proofpoint have tailored setup processes to enhance protection. Microsoft Office 365 offers advanced threat protection. Titan HQ provides user-friendly solutions for SMEs, and Proofpoint excels in data loss prevention and compliance. Each tool brings unique strengths to bolster email security. In conclusion, implementing and managing outbound spam filters is a strategic move to enhance your business's email security. By selecting the right tools and following setup processes, businesses can ensure their communications are secure, compliant, and professional. Before you click away, a small favor: like and subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming content. Your support keeps us going.